Welcome back to Auto Review, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hyundai Tucson, a compact SUV that's turning heads with its bold styling, refined interior, and impressive performance updates. If you're considering a versatile, tech-savvy SUV in 2025, this might just be the perfect ride for you. Let's start with the exterior. Hyundai has truly taken a futuristic approach with the design of the 2025 Tucson. The front fascia is aggressive and sculpted, highlighted by the signature parametric grille that seamlessly integrates with the daytime running lights. These LED lights are not just functional, they give the vehicle a unique, almost robotic presence on the road. The sharp body lines and angular surfaces continue along the sides, creating a dynamic look even when the car is standing still. The rear is just as bold, with full-width LED taillights and a hidden wiper tucked under the rear spoiler for a clean, modern finish. Depending on the trim, you get options like 19-inch alloy wheels, contrasting black roof, and chrome accents that elevate the Tucson's premium appeal. Step inside, and the 2025 Tucson doesn't disappoint. Hyundai has taken major steps forward in terms of materials, technology, and comfort. The cabin feels more upscale than ever, thanks to soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a minimalist dashboard layout. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster blends seamlessly with the new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, creating a panoramic tech experience. The screen is responsive, intuitive, and supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below the screen, the capacitive climate control panel adds a high-tech touch, though it might take a little getting used to for some drivers. Space-wise, the Tucson is one of the most generous in its class. There's ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, and the rear seats even recline slightly for added comfort on long trips. The cargo area is spacious as well, with over 38 cubic feet of space behind the second row and more than 74 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded down. Higher trims add niceties like ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium Bose sound system. Under the hood, the 2025 Tucson offers a range of powertrains to suit different needs. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder producing 187 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It offers smooth performance for everyday driving and decent fuel economy. But for those wanting more efficiency or power, Hyundai offers hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. The hybrid uses a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine combined with an electric motor for a total output of 226 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid bumps that up to 261 horsepower and offers an all-electric range of about 33 miles, perfect for short commutes or city driving without burning gas. All-wheel drive is available across the lineup, enhancing grip and confidence in various driving conditions. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Tucson starts at around $28,000 for the base SE trim, which already includes a solid list of standard features like advanced driver assistance systems, LED lighting, and a digital gauge cluster. Moving up the ladder, the SEL and XRT trims offer additional tech, comfort, and rugged design cues, with prices ranging from $30,000 to $34,000. The limited trim, which includes just about every luxury and tech upgrade available, tops out around $39,000. The hybrid models start in the low $30,000s, while the plug-in hybrid reaches into the mid-$40,000 range depending on options. Overall, the 2025 Hyundai Tucson stands out as a stylish, feature-rich compact SUV that balances performance, technology, and value exceptionally well. Whether you're looking for efficiency, space, or cutting-edge design, the new Tucson is well worth a test drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews right here on Auto Review.